Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and set up your Forsage system on an iOS device, an Apple device. The first step is we want to go to App Store. Under the search toggle option, we want to search for this wallet called the Go wallet, right? So it's Go wallet. It's the first one that appears in the top, right? And you want to download this wallet right here. Once you've completed the download, you basically have the app. Click on that app, it'll show you this page. So now it depends on two cases scenario here. If you already have an Ethereum wallet that you're using right now, a decentralized Ethereum wallet, you can export that wallet and import it into the Go wallet. If you're a newbie here and you have not created an Ethereum wallet before this, click on start right now, create a new wallet, okay? And you will have the option to backup. Make sure you complete this. Click on backup wallet and put in your password, okay? Create a new password. Make sure you save this with yourself. So for this video purposes, we're going to use 1 2 3 4 as an example. 1 2 3 4, right? Click on next on the top right option and you will have the backup informations that's provided to you. Click on copy, right? You'd want to then go towards notes and you'd want to paste it in your notes, right? So paste it right here, and once you've done pasting it here, this is basically what you're going to be using to recover your wallet in any instances that you lose your phone or whatso, right? So keep this very safely with you, and in any instances that you lose your phone, you'll be able to recover back your wallet using this passphrase. Then we go right back to the Go wallet option. You basically have the wallet set up right now. The next step is basically you'd want to fund your wallet depending on what amount of lots that you're looking to purchase on the Forsage contract. Say for instance, if it's 3 lots, then that's going to be about 0.4 Ethereum. So you'd want to fund your Ethereum, and the steps is really simple. Click on receive, okay? This is basically your Ethereum wallet address, right? So you'd either want to send and copy this wallet address and paste it to the person that is sharing this video with you for him to assist you on how you can get your Ethereums purchased. If you already have Ethereums that are in other wallets, for instance, wallets like Binance, Trust Wallet, or any other exchange, you can directly send your Ethereums to this wallet. Now, once your account has already been funded with whatever amount of Ethereums, you're basically done with step 2. Now step 3 is to go back to the person that referred you to this business or referred you this video and get the link from him, right? So in this instance, all right, we're going to go towards the link that I've gotten. This is the link. This is an example of how the link would look like. You want to copy this link. You want to go back to your Go wallet. You want to click on the bottom left option where it says Go. Click on Go, right? At the top search bar, paste that URL. Click on Go, and you're basically into Forsage website, right? Scroll down below and click on join now. Once you're done clicking on join now, you want to double check again if this 6 digits on the top matches the 6 digits of the person that shared this video with you. And once you're done with that, just click on to register. It'll take about 5 minutes for the system to be connected with the wallet, and you're good to go. Within 5 minutes, you have your system set up and everything is perfectly done, and you're right now on board with Forsage. You have set up a system and you are qualified to receive unlimited amount of Ethereums on a daily, monthly, weekly basis, as long as you help others, share the system with others, and help them get their system sorted as well. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video around to help others as well understand how they can get their Forsage system set up using an iOS device.